Don't be wasteful. Let's get it.
One, two, I've hustled harder than most. I'm a beast on these streets, got a revolver I tote. For these niggas trying to take me off the block where I post. Up dailies, sip Baileys out the bottle and smoke.
What's up with it, family? What's the damn deal, man? This is JuniorTheTruth. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video. Really, truly, genuinely appreciate it. Man, you saw the title of the video, you clicked on it. You probably don't know why you're here, but let's get to it, man. So I always had these moments with myself, and where I'm, reflecting or I'm thinking. And so I had a thought that came to me, it was a while back, man, probably about a year or so ago, or it's almost a year. And it's kind of been like a guiding light for me. And the thought is this: if you knew the day that you were going to expire, because we all have an expiration date, meaning a day where your life in this realm is no longer going to be a factor. You are going to transition. And if you knew what your expiration date was, like if you knew the day, the time, and you were fortunate enough to be able to know specifically when you were going to expire, and you knew that, you would not waste a moment. Would you waste a moment? You wouldn't waste a moment. Like, you would not waste a moment of time. You would maximize all of your time. Every moment you would let your loved ones know that you loved them, and you would build those things you wanted to build, and you would enjoy those things you wanted to enjoy. And it would help to put life into perspective for you. If you knew what your expiration date was, you wouldn't waste a moment. Here's the fact though. We have an expiration date, and the mere fact that you actually know that you have an expiration date makes when the date is kind of obsolete, because you know it's coming. So if you know it's coming, then why waste a moment? You feel me? Because if you did know when it was, you wouldn't waste a moment. You wouldn't waste a moment concerning yourself with so many things that don't lead to your productivity, happiness, and overall well-being. So the mere fact that you actually know that you have an expiration date means that the date in and of itself is almost obsolete. You shouldn't be wasting a moment anyway, man. Don't waste a moment. It's too precious. This is JuniorTheTruth signing off, man. I'm a Ohio-born player made. If you don't know anything else about me at the end of the day, I got to keep pushing, baby.